Okay, I want to run the Stirling-PDF jar file in Ubuntu. So I'm going to open a terminal and type Java --version. And I do not have Java, so I'm going to copy this command, sudo apt install default -jre, and I'm going to add a -y at the end. And when it's done, we'll check the Java version. And I've got OpenJDK 21. Next, go to the GitHub Stirling Tools release page. Link will be in the description. Scroll down. And I'm going to save Stirling-PDF.jar to my downloads folder. First, I'm going to copy the name of the file so I can paste it in later. Save. Okay, when it's done downloading, right-click it. Properties. Permissions. And check the box to allow this file to run as a program, then close. Back to the command line, cd into downloads. Then type Java -jar and the name of the file we downloaded. And when the last line comes up with watched folders at the end, we can go to a web browser, go to http://localhost:8080. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.